Numbers 23, Balaam's third message. Then Balak said to Balaam, "Come, let me take you to another place. Perhaps it will please God to let you curse them for me from there." When Balaam looked out and saw Israel encamped tribe by tribe, the Spirit of God came on him, and he spoke this message. The prophecy of Balaam son of Beor, the prophecy of one whose eyes sees clearly, the prophecy of one who hears the word of God, who sees a vision from the Almighty, who falls prostrate and whose eyes are open. How beautiful are your tents, Jacob, your dwelling place, Israel. Like valley they spread out, like gardens beside river, like a low planted by the Lord, like cedars beside the waters. Water will flow from their buckets, their seed will have abundant water. Their king will be greater than Agag, their kingdom will be exalted. God brought them out of Egypt. They have the strength of a wild ox. They devour hostile nations and break their bones in pieces. With their arrows they pierce them. Like a lion they crouch and lie down, like lioness who dares to roast them. May those who bless you be blessed, and those who curse you be cursed. Then Balak's anger burns against Balaam. He struck his hands together and said to him, "I summon you to curse my enemies, but you have blessed them these 3 times.